Hey people, so today is a Friday and we went to this pet shop and got this little guy. Actually, it's a little girl whom we named Sweetie, and this one little black little young man. Two young men, black little young men. No, but the black rabbit is called, we've decided to call it Mikey. And it's a super active little guy. And so that's what we have, a male female pair. So, oh god, see them. That's what, now onwards, hopefully these little rabbits, if they survive, I want them to keep appearing in my videos, because it is just this is so sweet. So on that note, I don't know, so that's what, when a rabbit is in this position, that means, like, with its legs completely, it's relaxing. That means the rabbit perceives that it's in a very safe environment, and hence it can relax like this. And look at the black one, it's so adorable. This is almost a 1 minute long video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.